Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Today's lesson is about habitats. There are many different habitats. The first one is forest, desert, grassland, mountain, polar regions, and marine. Forest, desert, grassland, mountain, polar, and marine. Habitat is a place where plants and animals live. It is made of living and non-living things around them. The first one is forest habitat. A forest habitat is a forest or woodland that provides a habitat for a variety of plants and animals. A forest habitat is a collection of trees that covers a specific area. Here are some animals that live in forest habitat. Moose, woodpecker, owl, tiger, squirrel, panda, and gorilla. Grassland habitat. Grassland habitats are places that receive more rain than desert but less precipitation than most of the plants here are grasses, which don't need as much water as forest vegetation. Here are some animals in grassland. Giraffe, lion, cheetah, zebra, and elephant. Desert habitats. Deserts are habitats or areas that have certain plants, animals, and climate that have no more than 20 inches of water from the sky. Here are some animals in the desert. Camel, meerkat, scorpion, lizard, and the snakes. Polar habitats. Polar habitats cover the top and bottom of planet Earth at North and South poles. The North Pole is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean. Here are some animals in polar regions. Penguin, white wolf, polar bear, and seal. Mountain habitat. Many separate habitats make up mountain habitat as a whole. Here are some habitats in mountain habitat. Mountain goat, yak, eagle, brown bear, white wolf. Marine habitat. Marine habitat. A marine habitat is a habitat that supports marine life. Habitat. Here are some animals in marine habitat. Seahorse, whale, octopus, dolphins, starfish, sea turtle. Rainforest habitat. Rainforests are lush, warm, wet habitats. Trees in the rainforest grow very tall. Here are some animals in rainforest habitat: anteater, jaguar, and toucan.